Want to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily do it. First thing first, move into your application Instagram, into your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, swipe right and head over to your story section. Once you're in this page, click on this gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Once you're inside the gallery, you have to click on Recents and then tap on All Albums. So in order for you to make a boomerang on Instagram, the first thing you should know that the picture you have taken on camera should be on live. So head over to Live Photos. From here, choose any of the live photo that you want to add. Once you've selected, it will land you on the space. Now click on Boomerang at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. And there you go, the boomerang has been added. You can also click on Slow Motion Boomerang by clicking on this icon. You can choose whichever theme you want to add. Once you have selected, click on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Now if you're ready to post on your story, click on your story at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then your boomerang will be added to Instagram story. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.